Investing money can be powerful, a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, and getting started is easier than you think. So first, educate yourself on the basics of investing. So basically understand concepts such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs is crucial. Numerous resources, including books and online courses, can help you build your knowledge about it. Next, you got to determine your financial goals and risk tolerance as well. You are, well, you know, are you intolerant? Are you investing for retirement? A major purchase or simply to grow your savings? Knowing your objectives will guide your investment choices. Once you have a plan, consider opening an investment account. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and education tools for beginners. Look for options that suit your need and provide support as you learn. Okay? Now, start small by diversifying your investments across different asset classes. This is going to help you reduce the risk and become familiar with the market. Now, you got to also regularly contribute to your investments. Even if the amounts you invest are small, consistency is the key to growing investments over time. You got to also stay informed about market trends, and economic factors that can affect investments. Patience is essential, as investing is often for long-term endeavors. And by staying disciplined and continuing to learn, you can build a solid foundation for financial growth over time.